Okay, guys, I'm back. Part two. I don't even know why I'm doing part two because I only have a couple bites left. But we got a lot of Karens out there. A lot of Karens. A lot of negative Nancys. Right? And I get it. You guys are miserable. So you want to try to make other people's lives miserable. I get it. That's the way life works. Okay. A lot of people with controlling positions. Like, some people, they are cops. Or like, any controlling position. A lot of times, those are people that when they were younger, they got bullied, they got told what to do, stuff like that, whatever. So now they want to be in a position where they could do the same thing. Because that's, that's like what they grew up with. You know what I'm trying to say? So I get all the negative comments, Because when you was younger, people treated you like straight trash. So now you want to treat other people like straight trash. But yeah. So it was all good. Damn. You guys be really taking that. I'm so sorry, Mama. You guys be really taking those comments like straight to the ass. You guys be really like going in. Like sometimes I read them and I'm like, damn. Did you have a bad day? Does somebody owe you money? Did somebody steal your wife, your girlfriend from you? Like, bro, what's going on? You need a friend? You need a hug? Like, you broke? You ain't got no job? You ain't got no car? What? Or maybe you have everything you need, but you still feel the need to belittle somebody else? What is it? I don't understand. But don't have nothing nice to say. Don't say that because it just makes you look stupid. Because it's not going to stop the person from eating the way they want or doing what they want or whatever. Anyway, guys, food for thought. Honey.